Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming pinouts. Identify micro SD pins, CS, MOSI, MISO, SCK, VCC, GND. Once done, strip thin wires and tin each conductor. Flux helps adhesion. Make sure to ground yourself with an ESD strap to avoid damaging the card. Prepare the USB connector or donor reader by exposing its board traces. Mark corresponding pins. You should be methodical here, because precise connections determine data integrity and prevent. You now solder the tinned wires to the micro SD adapter pads, VCC to 3V, GND to ground, and the data lines to their matching traces. Once each joint cools, route wires flat to minimize strain and secure them with a small dab of hot glue. This prevents broken joints when plugging in. Make sure to trim excess wire and reflow any questionable joints. Then, use a multimeter to verify continuity and absence of shorts. Do not skip this verification step. You finish by plugging the homemade reader into a computer and watching for device recognition. Open Disk Manager if it does not auto-mount. If the card is not detected, make sure 3V is present and that MOSI and MISO lines are not swapped. Recheck solder joints and continuity. Once working, mount the assembly in a small enclosure and add strain relief so wires cannot pull loose. One troubleshooting tip: intermittency often means a cold solder joint. Reflow and retest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.